Draw with Elena.
Goodnight Peacock. One blue construction paper. One yellow oil pastel. One green oil pastel. One blue oil pastel. First, let's use the blue oil pastel to draw a pear shape.
It looks like a silly nose. Blow your nose.
Let's make an outline of our hand so it'll be the long feathers of our peacock.
Some people are left-handed and some people are right-handed.
Let's draw 4 bumpy lines so it looks like feathers.
It looks like a bumpy road.
Let's draw 5 little circles and 3 lines to make the eyes and head feathers.
I want my eyes to be green instead. My eyes are lines so it looks like Peacock is sleeping.
Now we'll draw two curved lines to our pear shape and color them in to make our peacocks. Are you worried our peacock will fly away?
Peacocks can't fly.
Now let's use green to make 5 circles where our fingerprints would be. Those will be the eyes, big peacock feathers. Now we'll use a zigzag line to create grass. What color will your grass be?
That grass is too long. Let's mow it.
Let's use yellow to draw a triangle for the beak. Then 2 lines for the legs. Near the bottom of our legs, we'll draw an upside down on each. These will look like our peacock's talons.
Talons are like bird toes.
Let's use yellow to trace around our green circles. Then we'll add a line from each circle to the bottom feathers.
They look like lollipops.
It's time to finish the peacock's long feathers with right side up V's. I can fit 2, 3, or 4 V's on a line. How many can you fit?
5, 3, 7.
It's nighttime for Peacock. Let's draw 2 C's to make a moon, and lots of little dots for the stars.
You made a mess.
Oops, we should keep the dots on the paper. Time to clean up. Let's use yellow to first color in the moon, and next to fill in the top bumpy bottom feathers.
The moon looks like a banana.
Next, let's color with green to fill in the bottom bumpy bottom feathers. And finally, I'm using green to color in the grass. What color will you use?
Mine's yellow. Mine's bluegrass. Draw with Elena.
Great job, everybody.